A loan rejection can affect far more than just your financing plans. It can delay a home purchase, interrupt education plans, slow down business growth, postpone medical treatment, or leave important financial goals on hold. A loan rejection appeal letter gives you the opportunity to request a second review by explaining updated financial information, correcting misunderstandings, and providing stronger supporting documentation before the denial becomes a final missed opportunity. But people often submit short emotional requests without directly responding to the lender's stated denial reason, overlook recent financial improvements that could strengthen their case, or forget to attach supporting evidence such as updated income verification, corrected credit information, or employment documents. So, here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your personal contact details at the top of the letter. For example, Michael Turner, 4518 Oak Ridge Avenue, Phoenix AZ 85016, michael.turner@email.com, 60255-51847. This section identifies who you are and gives the lender a clear way to locate your application file and contact you if clarification is needed. Date. After your contact details, write the date. For example, June 2nd, 2026. The date establishes when your appeal was submitted, which can matter if the institution uses appeal deadlines or review periods. Recipient information next. Write the lender's review department details. For example, Loan Review Department, Summit National Bank, 920 Financial Plaza, Dallas, Texas 75201. This directs your appeal to the department responsible for secondary loan reviews. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject, appeal of loan application. Denial, application number L, N-202-6-4-58913. The subject immediately identifies the purpose of the letter and references the exact application under review. Salutation, address the recipient professionally. For example, Dear Loan Review Officer. This keeps the tone formal and appropriate for financial correspondence. Opening paragraph. Now begin the letter by clearly stating why you are writing. For example, I am writing to formally appeal the denial of my loan application, referenced under application number LN-2026-4-58913, as communicated in your decision notice dated May 20th, 2026. I respectfully request reconsideration of my application based on updated information, additional supporting documentation, and clarification regarding factors that may have affected the original review. This opening immediately establishes the purpose of the letter and signals that new information will be presented. Explanation of denial reason. Next, address the reason for the rejection. For example, according to the denial notice, my application was declined due to my debt-to-income ratio and incomplete income verification documentation. I would like to respectfully address these concerns. This paragraph is important because it shows you reviewed the lender's explanation carefully and are responding directly to it. Clarification paragraph. Now explain the issue clearly and factually. For example, regarding the income verification concern, I would like to clarify that my previous application did not include my recently renewed consulting contract and updated freelance income records, which significantly affect my current financial profile. This section allows you to explain temporary circumstances, corrected information, or details that may not have been fully considered during the initial review. Corrective actions paragraph. After that, explain what has changed. For example, since submitting my original application, I have taken steps to strengthen my financial profile, including paying down 2 outstanding credit card balances, improving my credit utilization ratio, and obtaining updated employment verification documentation. Lenders want to see measurable improvements and evidence of financial responsibility. Financial situation section. Now provide your current financial information. For example, my current financial situation is as follows. Employment status, full-time. Employer or business name, Horizon Digital Solutions, LLC. Monthly income, $6,850. Length of employment, 4 years. Existing financial obligations, auto loan, and one remaining credit card balance. This section gives the lender updated data to evaluate your eligibility more accurately. Loan purpose paragraph. Next, explain why you need the loan. For example, the requested loan is intended for a home purchase, and I am fully committed to meeting all repayment obligations under the terms of the loan. This helps the lender understand the purpose of the financing while reinforcing your repayment commitment. Supporting documents section. Now list your supporting evidence. For example, to support this appeal, I am submitting the following documentation for review: updated income verification documents, recent pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements, credit report explanation letter, employment verification letter, updated asset documentation. Supporting documents are often one of the most important parts of a loan appeal because financial decisions rely heavily on evidence. Request for reconsideration paragraph. Now formally request the outcome you want. For example, I respectfully request a full reconsideration of my application based on the updated information and supporting documents provided. I would greatly appreciate the opportunity for a secondary review of my eligibility. This paragraph clearly tells the lender what action you are requesting. Thank you paragraph. Then include your closing paragraph. For example, thank you for your time, attention, and consideration of this appeal. Please feel free to contact me if additional information or clarification is required. This keeps the tone professional, cooperative, and respectful. Sincerely. Now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely, Michael Turner. This is your formal closing and signature identification. Applicant information. Finally, include your application reference details. For example, application number LN-2 026-45-8913. Loan type, mortgage loan. Reference number, REF-884721. This final section helps the lender quickly identify and organize your appeal documentation. Before sending your loan rejection appeal letter, make sure every explanation directly addresses the lender's stated denial reason, every financial detail is accurate and updated, and every supporting document is attached. A strong appeal is not based on emotion alone, it is based on facts. Financial clarity, documented improvement, and organized supporting evidence. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.